Hi there, students. A boffin is a noun, just a noun. A boffin is a British word, an English word for a scientist. The Australians use this as well. Particularly somebody who's engaged in technological research. The boffin in the white coat. Somebody who's a researcher. Okay, so a scientist, a technical boffin. He's a computer boffin, yeah? He knows all about computers. Okay, so a boffin, a scientist, somebody who is considered to know a lot about science. And maybe they're a bit of a nerd, they're not very interested in other things. It's very difficult to understand what the boffins are saying sometime. This product has some problems. We'll have to give it to the boffins and see if they will they can work it out. Yeah, it's a person engaged in scientific research, technical research, normally an expert. The boffins will find a cure for COVID, I'm certain of it. Yeah, it has connotations that the person's a nerd, an egghead, a geek. Yeah, but yeah, a boffin, a scientific expert. Let's see, the origins of this, they're not exactly sure. There was a mathematician and evolutionary theorist, Boffin, and maybe it's linked to this, but they're no clear ones. William Morris has a man called Boffin as well, so in his work, I don't know, Boffin. Let's see, I think if you use this word to an American, they may have difficulty understanding it. Yeah, for a Brit, for an American, for a New Zealander, this is absolutely fine. Yeah, but he's a bit of a boffin. He doesn't really live in the real world. Yeah, he's always got pencils in his top pocket. So, as to formality, this is an informal word as well. I'd probably give it a 4 in formality. Yeah, I think more formally scientist. Yeah, this is to use in an informal conversation with a Brit. Okay, so a boffin. Am I an English boffin? Maybe not. Probably not. Okay, so a boffin, a scientist. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. A boffin.